In the bustling city of New York, where dreams and despair coexist in a delicate balance, there lived a girl named Ruby. Ruby wasn't just any girl, she was a force of nature, known for her vibrant personality and her signature red lipstick. This lipstick was not just a fashion statement but a symbol of her resilience and determination. Ruby had moved to New York with dreams of becoming a renowned photographer. The city's chaos fascinated her, and she was determined to capture its essence through her lens. But as with many dreamers who flocked to the city, reality hit her hard. The competitive world of photography was relentless, and finding her place in it was proving to be more challenging than she had anticipated. One day, while wandering the streets of Soho, Ruby stumbled upon an old, quaint bookstore. Its faded sign read, "Whispers of the Past." Intrigued, she pushed open the heavy wooden door, and a bell chimed softly, announcing her arrival. The store was a labyrinth of shelves, each filled with books that seemed to whisper secrets from another time. As she wandered through the aisles, a particular book caught her eye. It was an old, leather-bound journal with intricate gold lettering. Ruby picked it up and carefully opened it. Inside, she found the handwritten diary of a woman named Eleanor, who had lived in New York during the 1920s. Eleanor's life was a tale of glamour, love, and heartbreak. She was a jazz singer who performed in the speakeasies of Harlem. Her world was filled with music, vibrant colors, and the intoxicating allure of the roaring 20s. But beneath the surface, Eleanor's life was marked by profound sorrow and loss. Ruby was captivated by Eleanor's story. As she read through the diary, she felt a strange connection to this woman from the past. There was something about Eleanor's struggles and triumphs that resonated deeply with her. Inspired by the diary, Ruby decided to create a photographic series that would bring Eleanor's story to life. Armed with her camera and her signature red lipstick, Ruby set out to recreate the world of the 1920s. She scoured the city for locations that still held the charm of that bygone era. She found vintage clothing stores and enlisted the help of friends to model for her. Each photograph she took was a tribute to Eleanor, capturing the essence of her life and the spirit of the jazz age. As Ruby's project progressed, she began to gain attention. Her unique approach to storytelling through photography caught the eye of a prominent gallery owner. Impressed by her work, he offered her an exhibition at his gallery. It was a dream come true for Ruby. The night of the exhibition was a dazzling affair. The gallery was filled with people, all eager to see Ruby's photographs. As she walked through the crowd, she felt a mixture of excitement and nervousness. She wore a stunning red dress, and her lips were painted with her trademark red lipstick. When she reached the center of the gallery, Ruby took a moment to take it all in. Her photographs adorned the walls, each one telling a part of Eleanor's story. As she looked around, she noticed a familiar face in the crowd. It was an elderly woman with a warm smile and eyes that seemed to hold a lifetime of stories. The woman approached Ruby and introduced herself as Margaret, Eleanor's granddaughter. She had heard about the exhibition and was curious to see how a stranger had captured her grandmother's life. Ruby was amazed and humbled by the coincidence. Margaret shared stories of Eleanor, filling in the gaps that the diary had left. The exhibition was a resounding success, and Ruby's work received critical acclaim. But more importantly, it brought her a sense of fulfillment and connection. Through Eleanor's story, she had found her voice as an artist. In the weeks that followed, Ruby and Margaret developed a close friendship. They spent hours discussing Eleanor's life and the vibrant history of New York. Ruby continued to explore new projects, each one inspired by the stories of people who had come before her. Ruby's red lipstick became a symbol of her journey, a reminder of the passion and determination that drove her. It was a tribute to Eleanor and to all the women who had lived their lives with courage and grace. In the heart of New York, where dreams are both made and broken, Ruby found her place. She had come to the city as a girl with a camera and a dream, but she had become much more. She was a storyteller, an artist, and a keeper of memories, all marked by the vibrant hue of her red lipstick. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe.